Welcome to a comprehensive look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, Samsung's most advanced foldable smartphone to date. If you're a tech enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone who loves cutting-edge gadgets, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from its impressive specs to practical tips to help you get the most out of this device, ensuring you understand why it's a true game-changer. Unveiled at Galaxy Unpacked on July 9, 2025, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is designed to redefine your mobile experience. It combines groundbreaking hardware with advanced AI features and a sleek, refined design, setting a new standard for foldable technology. This revolutionary device made its grand debut on July 9, 2025, at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event, showcasing Samsung's commitment to innovation. Let's dive into the core specifications that make the Galaxy Z Fold 7 a powerhouse, starting with its stunning displays. It features a vibrant 6.5-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X cover display with a 120Hz refresh rate and an expansive 8.1-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X main display, boasting a variable refresh rate from 1 to 120Hz and an incredible peak brightness of up to 2600 nits. Under the hood, the Z Fold 7 is powered by the exclusive Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, ensuring top-tier performance. It comes with either 12GB or 16GB of RAM, and storage options ranging from 256GB, 512GB, up to a massive 1TB, giving you ample space for all your files and applications. The device is equipped with a 4,400 mAh battery, supporting 25W wired and 15W wireless charging, providing reliable power throughout your day. The camera system is equally impressive, featuring a 200MP main camera with AI upgrades for stunning detail, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. For selfies, you get a 10MP front camera and a discrete 4MP under-display camera on the main screen. Beyond raw power, the Z Fold 7 integrates smart features and design innovations that enhance user experience and durability. Galaxy AI takes center stage with features like generative edit and suggest erase, making photo and video editing intuitive and powerful, alongside real-time suggestions for capturing perfect moments. Productivity is seamless with multi-window capabilities and drag-and-drop functionality between apps, transforming your device into a mobile workstation. Durability sees significant improvements with the 3rd-gen FlexHinge, a stronger armor aluminum frame, and reduced crease visibility on the main display. The Z Fold 7 is also the slimmest and lightest Z Fold ever, weighing approximately 215 grams, with a thickness of just 8.9mm when folded and 4.2mm unfolded, making it incredibly portable. While the Z Fold 7 is packed with advancements, there are a few points to consider before making your decision. One key aspect is that the S Pen still remains an external accessory, lacking a built-in slot for storage. The battery capacity and charging speeds remain unchanged from the previous model, and it continues to offer only splash protection, not full IP dust resistance. To help you make the most of your new Galaxy Z Fold 7, here are some essential tips for new users. Utilize Flex Mode for hands-free video calls and content consumption, and customize app continuity to seamlessly transition apps between the cover and main screens. Protect your sensitive files with Secure Folder powered by Samsung Knox, and enable edge panels for quick access to your favorite apps, enhancing multitasking efficiency. To optimize battery health, lower the refresh rate to 60Hz when using the main screen for extended periods, and turn on Battery Protect to limit overnight charging to 85%. Leverage camera suggestions, as the AI helps frame shots, suggests edits, and improves portraits instantly, ensuring you always capture the best possible images. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is more than just a smartphone. It's a productivity powerhouse and a media machine in one. Thinner, lighter, more powerful, and more camera-friendly, it's an ideal device for creators, professionals, and anyone ready to embrace the next generation of foldables. Thank you for watching.